Hello students, today we are discuss about intelligence. It is under the unit 3 cognitive processes. So under this intelligence there are some subtopics like meaning, classification, uses, theories, mental age, mental retardation, common uses of mental retardation and giftedness. Now, the meaning of intelligence. Intelligence is the global capacity or ability of an individual to adapt successfully to his own environment. People have different standards of judging it. Intelligence, there are four definitions of intelligence. Number one, so after the meaning of intelligence, there are four definitions of intelligence. Number one, intelligence has been defined as inborn all-round capacity and efficiency and also mental energy that is capable of human being transfer from one activity to another. And number two, intelligence is defined as the aggregate or global capacity of an individual to act purposefully, to think rationally, and to deal effectively with his environment. Number three, intelligence is defined as the mental quality consisting of ability to learn from experience, solve problems, and use knowledge to adapt to new situations. This definition is given by David Whistler in 1944. Number 4. Intelligence is person capacity to perceive the situation correctly at the right place and at the right time, as a result of which she is able to adapt to a new situation easily. This definition is given by David G. Meyer in 2004. After the meaning and definition, now the classification of intelligence. According to E. L. Tronckai, intelligence has been classified as follows. Number 1. Abstract intelligence. It is ability to understand and manage those ideas, values, verbal commands, and mathematical symbols which does not concern of any concrete structure. Number 2. Mechanical intelligence. This part of intelligence pertains to our ability to manipulate concrete objects and visualize the relationship among objects and understand how the physical world works. Number 3. Social intelligence. It consists of maintaining social relationship with the member of society, both in home and outside. It is all about intrapersonal relationship. Interpersonal relationship which make up social intelligence. Maintaining norms, rule and regulation of society and relating oneself and all other relationships, peer group and other people who are in and around the person. So after this, a new paragraph. According to Howard Grander, 1983, it is stated that human beings not only consist of intellectual capacity but they possess many more aspects of intelligence, that is multiple intelligence, which are stated as below. Number 1. Verbal intelligence. Linguistic. The ability to use What in terms of language? Number logical intelligence. Mathematically, the ability to think conceptually and abstractly, and the capacity to discuss the logical and normal pattern. Number 3. Visual and spatial intelligence. The ability to visualize objects and spatial spatial dimensions and create an internal image and pictures. Number 4. Number 4. Body kinesis. The ability to control body movements and to handle objects very carefully and skillfully. Number 5. Musical rhythm. Ability to recognizing tones, patterns of sound, sensitivity to sound, as well as rhythm. Number 6. Interpersonal relationship intelligence. Maintaining relationship between two different persons along with communication. Intrapersonal relationship intelligence. The capacity of self-awareness and maintenance of inner feeling, values, beliefs and thought processes. Number 7. Naturalist intelligence. The ability to recognize and categorize plant, animal, other objects in nature. Number 8. Existential intelligence. The capacity or the ability of an individual to solve questions like existence of human being and their death. Hello students. So after classification, there are some uses of intelligence. Use of intelligence among the human organism may be stated as follows. Number 1. Intelligence helps individual to adapt or adjust to his immediate environment in a correct manner and in a perfect way, they making a person to learn to solve problem of day-to-day life. Number 2. Because of intelligence, we are able to observe relationship and detect abnormalities. Number 3. Intelligence help an individual in building our resourcefulness. Number 4. Intelligence is needed for making effective decision and making a decision and choice of life. Number 5. It help in our interpersonal and intrapersonal relationship, which is almost necessary for carrying out life activities. So there are a chart of classification of intelligence. Classification range of IQ and expected percentage in the population. So the first one, very superior, 130 and above. There are 2.1%, superior 120 to 129, 8.3%, high average 110 to 119, 16.1%, average 90 to 109, 50.3%, low average 80 to 89, 14.8%, borderline 70 to 79, this is 6.5%, and extremely low 69 and below 1.9%. And if we are plus all these things, then the count is 100%. The classification of above IQ range given by Whistler. After that, mental age and IQ. Mental age, MA, refers to a measurement of the person's ability to think when comparing to an average person ability of that age, and it determined by an intelligence test. Alfred Bind formulated the idea of mental age as being different from chronological age (CR) or actual age. There is an example. If a child of 10 years is presented with problems which a normal child of 10 years is expected to solve currently, and he solved them correctly, his mental age too is 10 years. And if he cannot, his mental age fall down below 10 years. He can also have a mental age of 10 to 12 years or more if he is able to solve the problem of this age group. The mental age indicates the level of mental maturity. This information is provided by IQ. A concern proposed by William Stant. It is obtained by dividing mental age by chronological age and multiply this by 100 to decimal to fraction and convert into. There are some theories of intelligence. According to some researchers, intelligence is a single general ability, while others believe that it encompasses a range of talents, skills, etc. Henceforth, there are many theories explain the intelligence in different way. Number 1. Spearman's two-factor theory. Charles Spearman, 1927, proposed a theory of two factor, that is G factor and S factor. Cognitive activities depends on G factor general and one or more specific factors, that is S factor. The general factor represents what all mental tests have in common. It is said that G factor consists of information's processing power, whereas S factor is specific of a particular intelligence. Therefore, G factor is of greater importance of all individuals. Number 2. Thurston's theory of primary mental ability. L. Thurston disagree with Spearman's idea of intelligence, that is specific and general mental ability. He identified 8 characteristics of primary mental ability, which are independent factors. They are verbal influencing, the ability of a person to think of words rapidly for the purpose of speech, as in extemporaneous speech. Number 2. Numerical ability, the ability to solve arithmetic progression. Number 3. Verbal comprehension, the ability to define and understand words. Number 4. Memory, ability to memorize and recall the past memories. Number 5. Perceptual speech, the ability to grasp visual details and to see difference and similarities among the objects. Spatial relations, the ability to visualize designs and decoration in terms of spaces. Reasoning, the ability to find out principles and rules to understand and solve problems. And now third number, theory. Stemberg's tri- Stem- Stemberg's triarchy theory of intelligence. According to Stemberg, intelligence have different area of thinking which thereby help an individual to solve their problems and continue their life in a smooth manner. They are as follows. A. Analytical thinking deals with problem solving abilities and focuses on planning, monitoring, reflection, and transfers. B. Creative thinking focus on developing, applying new idea and creating solution. C. Practical thinking. This is also called as common sense, which focuses on the ability to adapt to a changing environment and experience. Fourth theory, Cattell's theory. R.B. Cattell in 1963 believed that general intelligence composed of fluids and crystallized intelligence. He considered fluid intelligence to be like capacity of an individual to find out the relationship between things and of logic and abstract thinking. It construct there is something called crystallized intelligence, which is based on acquired knowledge of skills. It is also stated that the fluid intelligence decline with increase of age, whereas crystallized intelligence does not. Now, mental retardation or mentally challenged. Mental retardation means significantly sub-average general intra-actual functioning existing concurrently with deficits in adaptive behavior, which is manifested during the developmental period. The intelligence score of 70 or less are generally classified as mentally retarded or mentally challenged. This is significantly characterized by below average score of any of the tests of intelligence or deprivation in behavior related to daily living like communication, self-care, getting along in different social situations, school activities, etc. There are basically four categories of mental retardation which are categorized as follows. So their level, IQ score, percentage of population, adaptation to demand of life. Number 1, mild, 50 to 70, 85%. May learn academic activities up to grade 6 and can be trained. Number 2, moderate, 35 to 40, 10%. Second grade academic activities can be achievable, can work in centered home. Number 3, Severe 20 to 34, 3 to 4% need supervision for carrying out daily life activities. They are non-trainable group. Number 4. Profound below 20, 1 to 2% required constant supervision, health and care. They are unable to do any activities by their own. There are some common causes of mental retardation. Number 1. Genetic cause. Due to gene inherited from the parents, error in combination of genes occurs due to some reason leading to certain illness like Down syndrome, Fragile X syndrome, etc. Number 2. Prenatal problems. Certain prenatal problems like injection to some drug and chemicals may lead to mental retardation in the newborn child. Number 3. Perinatal problem. During labor and birth, such as oxygen deprivation, disability due to brain damage may occur in the newborn child. Environmental cause. Prolonged isolation, severe atypical parents-child interaction, poor health practices, poor housing, unstimulating environment, etc. may lead to mental retardation. And now there are another topic, giftedness. Giftedness, of the other hand, is distribute of intelligence on the higher side of the intelligence curve. Those who fall under the score of 130 and above are categorized as gifted people. Giftedness is defined in terms of specific talents and academical activities by general intellectual characteristic like curiosity, motivation, ability to see relationship of any kind and long term of attention. Personality traits such as leadership quality, independence, intuitiveness. In the other sense, they are masters of any kind. So now there are a curve of normal ball-shaped curve representing IQ score. And with this chapter is end. This much, how much I am providing you, this is enough for your knowledge and exam. So thank you for watching the video.